September 8th, 2025. These Louisiana troopers are pulling over a Ford Raptor, but this is not your typical traffic stop. It is a targeted hit for an ongoing narcotics investigation. Intelligence confirms the two men inside are key players in a narcotics ring, and that makes this a high-stakes encounter from the very start.
CP has the vehicle stopped at Wilson's off of 20.
All right, he's taking off down Bull Run Road. Region 2 in pursuit of a Ford Raptor, gray, heading towards 311 on Bull Run Road.
For 22 minutes, this truck leads troopers through Terrebonne and Lafourche parishes at speeds over 100. Take a look at the map. They covered a massive amount of ground in a very short time. Once a chase hits triple digits and crosses county lines, it is only a matter of time before someone gets hurt.
Speeds excess of 100 miles an hour. We'll be coming up to the end shortly if we could get a drone on standby. Bail, 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 bail. I'm taking the driver. Passenger. You get back up the road. Hey, I will take the piss out of you if you don't stop. I'm gonna take the piss out of you if you don't stop. That's it. Stop. Stop.
In a split second, the rules of engagement change. The officer drops his taser because you never bring a less lethal tool to a gunfight. When a suspect produces a weapon, law enforcement is trained to match that level of force immediately to stop the threat and stay alive.
Yo, let me talk. I got shots fired. Suspect down. He's got a gun on him. Give me a unit so we can go clear this fella and start giving him medical aid. Yeah, he had a gun in his hand. He pointed it at me. I don't know where it's at.
Okay.
All right, let's approach and see if we can locate that firearm.
Break and turn left on the Dojo. Northbound 660.
It's in his hand.
Guns in his hand.
All right.
Guns in his hand.
Hold cover.
Stand by.
Hold cover. I'll take it from his hand.
Hold on.
Unit northbound 660.
Guns in his hand. Guns in his hand.
Finger on the
Finger
trigger.
on the trigger.
All right. Put me 660 at 3087. Yeah, well, coming up to you quickly.
Hold on.
I'm not the intersection. I'm not going to have time to set up spikes.
Clear.
Right on 3087. Towards 315.
Hey, just drop it, drop it. Clear the other hand. Just drop it, just drop it. Just...
St. Peter Church and 16.
Region 2, have Acadian 1019.
Darien Riffe didn't survive his injuries. When investigators cleared the scene, they found a round already chambered in his handgun. That finger on the trigger wasn't just a reflex, it was a clear sign of his intent to fire. As for Jonah Parfait, he abandoned his partner and crashed into a bystander before trying to hide in the swamp. he found out the hard way that you can't outrun a K9's nose. This wasn't just a shooting, it was a massive failure of judgment by two men who had every chance to give up. The officer now has to live with the weight of that split-second decision, while Parfait faces years behind bars for felony flight. It is a grim reminder that in the streets, your first mistake can easily be your last. Looking at the speed of the draw, do you believe the trooper had any choice but to use lethal force? Drop a comment below. If you appreciate this level of deep dive, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for being here and stay safe out there.